Friday is a great day to start a project, especially plumbing. Really looking forward to it. Looking forward to knocking another project out of the way. What I'm going to be doing today, this is my water tank, and I have a hose that the surveyor caught, and starts here and goes all the way over, which isn't really too far, to this locker. Okay, so that hose runs through the wall, around and up and around again, and terminates at the fresh water pump. Simple. Seems like a simple thing. The run is less than 4 feet, and the hose actually cost me probably about $10. So let's say 15, 20 with hose clamps. So why is this the object of my affection for a Friday, you ask? That is the reason right there. I don't know if you can see it really easily. Somebody put a splice in it. And that right there, that rusted, I don't even know how to describe it, is a hose clamp. And the surveyor actually caught it. So today I'm going to rip it out and put one continuous line all the way from the tank to the fresh water pump. I'm going to replace this hose. It goes from the water pump, fresh water pump, and over, down, and to that junction. Now normally that junction is mounted on the wall, but I took it down to paint and brighten and freshen up this locker. So I've noticed, of course, these hoses look like they are original. They're sticky, they're hard, they're nasty. So this one seems to have a little bit of a leak at the fitting. I'm not sure you can see it. It's weeping just a little bit. So I bought extra hose when I was at the store the other day, and I would like to get this all taken care of. Should be another job that will take an hour. I never say 5 minutes anymore, ever. I've learned that lesson. 5-minute job, not so much. That has a fitting that clips in. That's easy to take off. Probably have to cut the hose off the fitting. Again, it's 1/2-inch hose. I'll just then come over here and take that fitting off. Actually take the hose clamp off, and I'll probably pull that little fitting. It looks like it just threads into that piece of pipe, and put some more Teflon tape on, just in case that's the problem. But I think it's the hose. Okay, I got the new hose through. It's a typical boat job. Was never as easy as anticipated. I'm very glad I ran a tagline and attached it to it, which allowed me to pull on the tagline and then push on the hose from the other side, and it made it through. I just need to tighten up a couple hose clamps, and then I'm going to work on the other end, hooking it up directly to the water pump. I've got everything put back together. I just turned the water pump on. It's cycled off. And there is the other brand new hose. Under there, right there. And I like to do what I call the paper towel test. I put a brand new dry piece of paper towel under each hose fitting and just watch it for a minute or 2 or 3 and be sure that there is no dripping water. That's a very easy way to tell if you have a water leak. But it looks like this job's all wrapped up.